welcome back to the channel. I'm not too sure if I'm going to upload this clip or not. I'm just going to see if I need to use it or not. I might as well make this clip just in case I do need it. So I am just ballasting track right now. So stuff up in the loft. I am obviously in the loft. It's been a while since I've come on here to talk. Maybe because of GCSEs, but I thought I'm back up in the loft now. I might as well put a little clip in there for you guys. But yeah, I'm doing ballasting. It's not my favourite thing in the world, but I've learned to like it because what I basically do is I've got 50-50 PVA right there, and then I've got what I do. I tap the ballast with a spoon. So obviously you can see that's where I've applied glue, but I spray first with water to keep the ballast down. Shut that on, PVA glue. I've got to do some more around there. I'll stop there, and I might carry on. But that's going to be a pain. I'm not looking forward to this area to do ballasting, but it's going to have to happen. Also, you might tell there's a platform missing here. This is because, so I can ballast this. This was ballasting from about 2-3 years ago now. So, I say around 2.5 years ago. So that's really bad ballasting by me. It's pretty shocking, okay? And I used the wrong ballast. I got reballasted that, but I'm going to get some different kind of ballast from the stuff I'm using here, which is just over there. Because that's a different kind of ballast for a Hedges Row. I don't really want it to look all generic. Might have to use like a older one or something like that. But yeah, I thought I'd just come on here, guys, show you what I'm doing on the layout. It's been a while since I've been up here. I think it has been since June last year, so it's been a while. Correct me if I'm wrong with that one. But also I want to say, guys, thanks for hitting 150 subscribers as well. That's great. I don't know what I'm going to do for 150 sets, so special, because I want to do one, but it's kind of an awkward time at the moment. Yeah, I'm going to finish ballasting and I'll probably get back. If I upload this clip, you'll probably see some other clips of me later. Future Archie. But yes, guys, I've just finished ballasting that piece of that section over there and there. So I finished ballasting this in the outer line from about there, where you can see that I think there might be a problem with that though, because the MDF that we've used, it's not, well, MDF is waterproof, so water resistant, but it's held up okay around here. You can kind of see these watermarks, but there's nothing wrong with it, so it should be fine, because once it's covered up, painted, or covered up with grass and stuff, you won't see it. But I tell you what, squeezing that gap there is painful, because I have to move this out of the way. We've got boxes of old train, like Hornby train sets. Got the Eurostar one, which I can't run because the gradients on this layout is too much for the Eurostar. For example, here is quite a big gradient for Model Railway. Most everything gets over except the Eurostar, because the Eurostar is a bit different, isn't it? So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to use this clip, but they use these clips. But if I do, then whoopie-doo. I probably will, because I'm running out of footage, so it's probably my only last resort. But yes, I'm finishing ballasting. Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. It's up there, link up there somewhere. There's some sort of Instagram. It's not a great job, but I've attempted a bridge, okay? So obviously the girder bridge is there. We've had these guys for quite a while. Slapped on a bit of MDF and pretty much plywood. And I bought some card from Sheffield, Razor Sheffield, and slapped some card on the side there. It's pretty rough, it's not great, but it will do for now. So it will do. But that's basically really it for this clip. So yeah, thanks guys for watching these clips, but there'll probably be more clips after this. Bit of a rubbish video if this is that. But I'm waffling now, so I'm going to stop the camera and stop boring guys. So I think this will be a video now. This is the third clip, so it'll be a bit pointless if I don't upload it. It's just wasting my time, to be fair. Little update, it is currently Thursday the 30th of March, which is a good few days after I ballasted, I'm pretty sure. For reference, right, ballasting, it's all done, all finished, all complete. Well, not everything, but what I meant to ballast is finally finished. It's dry, I think. Well, yeah, of course it will be. Yeah, it's solid now. Got the bridge in place there. I need to put that glue before it gets mouldy. I should probably carry on around. I will eventually carry on around there. I might finish that corner off, get to that point, and then if we come around this corner, trying to fall down that loft hatch, then we carry along here, round, down, and up to that point, because to there, over the other bridge, we got to sort out all the main station area, and that's not done yet. So yeah, I'm not looking forward to ballasting that kind of area, but I need to sort out the station first. That's not the kind of area I want to go for at the moment. I want to kind of sort out this area, because I need to work out where I'm going to place the bridge, another bridge, which I do have the kit for. But I've used a canal bridge instead of a like an OO gauge, like a rail tunnel portal bridge thing. Reasoning is, I think, should be, hopefully, cross fingers, I've spent running a bit of kit. It should be enough clearance for the 009. One problem is, I don't know what's wrong with my only 009 loco, so I haven't been able to test the tracks. That's why I haven't pinned it down. Because this, if I can get out of the box, my Baldwin class, I don't know why, but it just doesn't run anymore. It's just dead. There's no power going to it. It's just completely dead. I should probably try it now, just double check. But yeah, when I last checked it wasn't great. Oh, okay. Yeah, it was completely dead. So yeah, it went great. Yeah, so I'll get a few clips of the some locos running, the 57. You haven't seen the 57. If you don't follow me on Instagram again, yeah, this is the 57 I got for Christmas this year. Great loco. DC fitted already. Fitted that straight away. But yeah, I'll get a few running shots of that. That hasn't featured on the channel yet so far. So yeah, enjoy the 57 running shots. So guys, yes, I don't know if I'm going to use this clip, but I am making, I'm about to start making a, the Wills Kits River Canal / Canal Bridge. It should fit over the 009, so that's what I'm looking for, that's what I'm looking to do with it. But apart from that, I just need to get on with it. I need to read the instructions. I don't like reading instructions, not great. But yeah. If this clip goes in, hopefully I have finished this, but I'll give it a go and I'll update you guys in a minute. So yes guys, I've basically nearly finished it now. I've been out and back again, so there's one issue. So obviously, as you see the bottom there, it's still dry, and that's the old card that I've used for other things. But the red brick we got, the plastic red brick, it wouldn't go in. It had to go like fold underneath. This one weren't going to work. For example, like there, it's supposed to flip. It wasn't going to work. It didn't work at all. So I had to compromise. Now I've got to put these this side on the bridge, like that, onto the side of the bridge, like so, on the edge. And then I've got to work out, and I've got to do the little side things, like the, whatever you want to call them. Those things down there, like there. So I need to do those. Yeah, it's been a bit of a heartache really, but I'll get this finished done. I'll get back to you guys later. So guys, yes, I've finished the bridge now. Just letting a few things dry. I've put the sides on one, like these things here. That's on one face of the bridge because I don't want it on both sides, because I think the other side will be where the platforms will be in the station. So this side where I have put the sides on, if I just show you now. There will hopefully, I'm pretty sure an 009 loco should fit underneath that. I hope so, because otherwise that's a long waste of time without me, with me making a kit. But also, guys, it's 153. I am selling it. It's going off to Hatton's because I've got two at the current moment in time. I don't need the second one. So I'm keeping the Great Western one. That's DCC fitted. This isn't, so I get a bit of money for this. And the Holme Railroad 08, I haven't run it for ages. I think I've run it up in the loft like twice since I've had it up since I have the railway up in the loft. So those things are going. But yeah, once that's dry, later, go and put it out up in the loft, make the video, I'll put it out there for you guys. Hey guys, welcome back. Well, same video, I guess, but it has been a good week since I filmed the first clip. So it is currently Sunday when this video will go up, so I've edited the video as I go along and I just need to shut this in there, so blah blah blah. So yeah, I've got 37 running around at the moment, and I thought I'd come on here to finish the video off. So yeah, thanks for sticking around if you've got to this part of the video. So I'm going to show you the kit. Obviously I was built yesterday and I've installed it. I'm just trying to work out where I want it in place. But yeah, let's take you guys to the other bridges. So guys, obviously I've set you here, so you've got a good rough view of where the bridge is. So yeah, this is where the bridge will be. Let me come around here. So this is the rough kind of idea where I want the bridge to be. I've got the platform over this side here. This will be the platform, so I've trimmed the sides and stuff. I'll make it curve around the corner, but I think what I want to do is I want one platform, not two, just keep it simple as one, this side. But this is the bridge here, and to show you the height, the clearance, should I say, first of all, I need to make sure I can reach the point, which I am able to, because this track isn't pinned down yet. The clearance is something to behold. It does literally just about fit under. That is not much clearance right there. That's kind of close. I'm kind of glad it fits because it took a while for me to build this, you know. It took me a while. It kind of annoyed me after when it got towards the end. But yeah, this is the kind of what I use on the other platform over there. I think I still have that kind of same paint. But yeah, that can go under there. I'm pretty sure that can fit on the bridge like so. Yeah, that'll be able to fit under there. But I'm watching out for the 37. But yeah, this is where the bridge will go. Obviously, it's wider. Oh no, it's wider than here. So what we need to do is I'll just get another piece of wood, measure out another one of these, and to this height, and then I can just level it down. I might have to rethink it because I don't know if I want. I might need the platform this side or this side. It might be easier if I use this side because then the road can go down to ground level and come round, but I'm not too sure because the main station is there, so I want this road to curve down to the main station. But yeah, there's also something I'm rejigging the main station a little bit, like the bay platforms. I'm not too sure if it's an idea I want to keep, but I'll just go and show you guys now. So guys, this is what I want to show you. Obviously it's very rough at the moment. I'm not sure if I want to keep it, but to do so I need to trim this piece of flexi track here, this offcut of flexi track to fit this gap here, and it's just the right gap for these two platforms here, good enough clearance. Because what I want to do is I think I'll put the main station building at the end of these lines here, and have, obviously I've got another one of these and I can move it along at the end, but I just want to check. Also I'd have to bring this line out a little bit more because that is a massive gap between the platforms, so that's the only problem, is that I would need to do that. But to do that I'll probably pin this line in here, so now so this all stays in the right kind of length. Obviously that leaves us not much space down there because that's where the bridge is there, so the road will come along down there round and to here where the station will be, and I might have like a station car park here or something. But the only thing I don't really want to use these, but the only way I really probably will be able to is to use these anyway. But it gives us more station space, more platform space. Only thing is I've been using this more as a loco stabling siding kind of thing. I could still use it, but as a stabling siding, just not a very used platform, but it wouldn't look as realistic. But I'm not sure. I'm kind of swaying to the idea of having this canopy, adds a bit more height to the layout, and and then also I've got those 2 platforms over the other side there, that platform there, and then I've got the platform just over the other side of the coaches, and I've got basically a platform for each side. Then I kind of like the idea of having a platform either side like that, a bit like Ascot, but Ascot has the fences now. But if that was to happen, I might find fences that I could put along the platform this side, so you can only board this train in platform 3, as it will be, on this platform here, not this one. So, because obviously that platform there is longer than this one, but then, you know what I mean? You get what I mean? But yeah, this would be roughly what it would look like if I carry on like this. But I'm thinking of doing that. Sword class is over there. Pardon me. Let's get the sword class running. So yeah, I've also got the DC Select 11. And it should, by a bit of magic, pull away. Give it a bit of oomph to start with. So that's got a little freight train behind it. I like a bit of steam in the layout, you know what I mean? Here you go, look at that. But yeah, again, look, this is another view of the clearance. It's not much at all. And that may be a problem. No, it won't be a problem, but you know, it was nearly a problem. So guys, thank you for tuning into this week's video. I'm sorry I wasn't able to upload a video last week, but obviously I was running out of footage and I need to revise. So yeah, this is schoolwork. So that's why obviously videos are gonna be slower now. But I thought I'd put this video over the course of this week, to show you what I'm doing on the model railway, because I'm starting to pick up progress and do some more stuff with the railway. Because before, a couple of months, I couldn't really be bothered to have anything with the railway. I was just kind of like mellow. I didn't really want to do it, you know what I mean? But now I've come back and I thought, you know what, I've got a few kits to make, I might as well make them. And I started from there, and I started doing some more and more work on it, getting more interest back into. I kind of fell out with the model railway hobby for a few months, I'd say. I wasn't very interested, but now I'm back into it in full swing. So yeah, I'm looking to obviously build up the layout now, scenery wise. My fleet's all right. I don't really need anything else except another 009 loco, because the other one doesn't work. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning to this week's video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So yeah, we've looking to get 200 subscribers now. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a good week. Thank you.